Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2005 Chevy TrailBlazer. The Chevy TrailBlazer is among the best of the truck-based midsize SUVs. It's capable of hauling heavy loads or negotiating rugged off-road terrain. Yet it's also smooth, comfortable, and civilized, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, XM satellite radio, Bose sound system, 4-wheel drive, moonroof, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.